Assalamu alaikum. Looking for a simple, comforting Punjabi dish? Look no further. Let's make delicious Punjabi Tinday, which is soft, spiced, and full of home-style flavor. So let's get rolling. I'm using frozen tinday because fresh tindays are difficult to find here in Canada. About 1 cup, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped, ginger garlic paste which is about 1 tablespoon, and we have our basic everyday spices: turmeric, chili powder, salt, coriander powder, and cumin seeds. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons or 3 of oil. Once the oil is nicely heated up, add in cumin seed and allow it to crackle. Add finely chopped onions, saute it to light brown. Onions are sauteed light golden. Ginger garlic paste to chop. The tomatoes have softened up and are nicely blended. Teaspoon turmeric, teaspoon chili powder, salt to taste, teaspoon coriander powder. Mix this and cook for about 1 minute or 2. This is the best gravy which you can use to cook other vegetables also, and freeze it for later use when you want to cook and don't have the time. Just add it straight to the pan with some oil and add your vegetables. So now the oil has released as well. Time to add in the main ingredient, which is the tinday. Mix this well to coat with the masala. Not going to add in any water as the tindays are already frozen. Vegetables also release their own water as well. But if you find that your tindays are still a little bit hard, add a splash of water or about a 1/4 cup depending on the quantity of your tinday. Cover this, cook on low heat till the tindays are tender. Let's see how it's done. Tindays are nicely done. Give it a good mix. Finish it off with 1 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, chopped cilantro, and that's it, and it's ready.